Hello everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to verify your Navy Federal card for Apple Pay. Okay, now I will show you two different fixes. First, you just want to enter the Navy Federal app, and here at the bottom left side, you can see contact and it is highlighted. Just click on it and contact Navy Federal on their phone number, and you will explain that you want to verify your card for Apple Pay, and they will assist you if there are any issues. Now, the second fix to do is to simply go to your phone settings. If it still doesn't work, then you use the search bar to search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage. Then you should scroll down till you get here this option, show all, just sorted by name. And now you'll have to find the Navy Federal app. Now, once you find it like this, you will have to click on it. After that, go and click on offload app, then click on upload app again, then wait till it shows you here reinstall the app and verify, and that's all. You're all done. And that's all for today. Please support us with a like. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.